Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Introduction. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are two important processes that occur in plants and some microorganisms. They are interconnected and complementary, with photosynthesis producing oxygen and glucose, and cellular respiration using oxygen and glucose to produce energy in the form of ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. Plants using the energy from sunlight to create glucose and oxygen. The process of photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplasts of plant cells. The process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy. Photosynthesis takes place into the chloroplast of plant cells. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose and oxygen. What is cellular respiration? Cellular respiration is the process by which cells converts nutrients into energy. The process involves three main stages: glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. Cellular respiration is critical for the survival of all living organisms. The process of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which cells convert nutrients into energy. It occurs in three main stages: glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. The final products are ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, carbon dioxide, and water. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are two fundamental biological processes that play essential roles in the energy exchange and the carbon cycling of living organisms. They are interconnected and represents a balance in the ecosystem. Point 1: photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose sugar. This process takes place in the chloroplasts of plant cells and involves the following key steps: light absorption. Chlorophyll and other pigments in chloroplasts absorb light, primarily in the blue and red regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. Light reactions. In the thylakoid membranes, light energy is used to separate water into oxygen and protons and to generate ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide phosphate. Calvin cycle. In the stroma of the chloroplast, ATP and NADPH are used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose through a series of chemical reactions. Overall, the photosynthesis equation is 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy gives C6H12O6 glucose plus 6O2. Point 2: cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which all living cells, including plants, animals, and microorganisms, converts glucose and other organic molecules into ATP, the cell's primary energy currency. Cellular respiration occurs in three main stages. Point 1: glycolysis. This process occurs in the cytoplasm and involve breaking down glucose into two molecules of pyruvate while generating a small amount of ATP and NADPH. Point 2. Citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle. Pyruvate is transported into the mitochondria where it is further oxidized, releasing carbon dioxide and producing more NADPH and FADH2. Point 3. Electron transport chain, ETC. The ETC stands for electron transport chain, takes place in the inner mitochondrial membrane, and it uses electrons from NADH and FADH2 to generate a large amount of ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. The overall equation for cellular respiration is C6H12 and O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus ATP energy. Interconnection. These processes are interconnected in several ways. Point 1. Product exchange. The products of one process are the reactants of the other. Oxygen produced during photosynthesis is used in cellular respiration, and the carbon dioxide produced during respiration is used in photosynthesis. Point 2. Energy flow. The energy captured in photosynthesis in the form of glucose is used in cellular respiration to produce ATP, which powers the cell's activities. Point 3. Balance. Together, these processes maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and form the foundation of the food chain as photosynthetic organisms are the primary procedures of organic matter. In summary, photosynthesis captures light energy and converts it into chemical energy, while cellular respiration releases the stored chemical energy and provides it to the cell for various functions. Together, they ensure the continuous cycling of energy and carbon in the biosphere. Thank you for letting me share the wonders of photosynthesis and cellular respiration with you. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching my video and share.